Hey guys, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, let's start our class today. This topic is about get method. Yesterday, I have explained you about post method without database configuration. Today, I'm going to explain you how to do this get operation. How to use this get method. I will show you today. Am I audible? And let me know whether my screen is visible or not. And also I'll keep all these tags links in my header so that I can move to any other page. Okay. So I'm moving all the links to my header so that in every page I can see that links. Okay. Have you tried remaining operations in our remaining operations by taking this as reference? Any of you? Please do it. Okay. Don't neglect it. To run the server, you have to type this command. Okay. Yeah. Here I got a header, right? If I go to next, I will have this one. If I go to home, so that from here itself, I can go to every page. But in subtraction page, I have not included that header and footer. Now I'll try to do that also. Sub.html. Here I will include header. Include. It is very important. Okay. We can there is no need to write code again and again. Simply you can write in your header, and there is no need to mention links in every page. Okay, simply you can use include that header tag directly into your page, required page. Okay. Right. Now I will refresh this page and I got my header here. So now I can move to any of the page, from any page to whatever the page I need, I can go there. Okay, without any errors. Okay. Now I want to uh, show you get method, but in that get method, uh, I want to give data in one page and I want to get data in another page. It has to redirect to another page. Okay. Now I'll try to do that. First of all, I will write views for that. For example, if I try to write my name in one page, if I click on submit button, it has to go to another page and there it has to display my name. Okay. Left name. First, yesterday I have used this post method, right? Now I am using get method. There is no need to mention this request dot method equal to get, but to have some clarity, I am showing you this. Okay. In coming projects, if you want to retrieve any data, there is no need to use this line. Okay, request dot method. We have another line to get the data. I'll show you. Get some object equal to request dot get. Here the name is the name which you use in your template, same as in post method. Yesterday we have used these names in our template, right? The same way we are using for name also. Return render list. I'll take my HTML name as name.html. This is the HTML where I want to put the data, where I want to post the data, and in another page I will get the data. Okay. Name object. Okay. Or else I will take this as output, because if I take both names and name, you will get confused. I will take as output. But if I page okay here, okay, if my page doesn't carry any, okay, first of all I will try to just open the page, then I will try to display this name. Okay, I will not write this one. I will show you another method also. If name return, just I will open the page and I will show you. Turn render first dot html. Now I have to create. I have written views for this, right? Now I have to create a URL and a HTML page. I think am I audible, right? New HTML name. This is my name.html, and I will create URLs for this, and I will give this URL in my header so that it will come in all the pages. Dot name comma name equal to name. Now I'll use this URL in my header.html. Name. Name. Let's see. Yeah, I got a name link here. If I click on that, I have got nothing, because I have done nothing in my name.html. Good. Load header.html, and also I'll add footer.html to footer.html. Okay. In body, I want to give some name box. Okay, input. For names we have characters, no, so I'm using text, text. I'm not using number. And name equal to, I have to give a name for this, right? So I have taken name as okay, I've taken nothing here. Let it be, I will show you. Let's try to open the refresh the page, whether to check whether I got this box or not. Yeah, I got this box here. Now I put a label for this. Enter your name. Yeah, I got a label also. Now, I have explained you should not keep this form. You should use some form tags, and in form tags only you have to use these input boxes. Without that form tags, you should not use input boxes to submit any data. Okay. Now I'm going to use form tag. Form tag open use. Here I need to mention the method what I am going to use. Yesterday I have shown you post method. Now I am going to use this get method. Okay. Now the thing is, yesterday we have done this post method and given names and all. But today we are going to do something different. Here I will give some name and I will link this name with another view. Okay, I will write another view to get the name in a different page. Okay, if I'll take this function name as get name. It is very it will be little confusion for you. Don't worry, I will explain you once again, and also we'll see this functions in our project also. Don't worry. Okay. If request dot method equal to get object equal to request. Here you can use whatever the variable you want, you can use here. Okay, request dot get. In template I have used my name as name only, so I'm taking this name here. Whatever I used in my template, I'm using this here. Okay. Request. I've said you that if I give name there, it should go to other page and I should display a message. Okay, with my name. Okay, I'll take this as getName.html, HTML, and here I will pass the data output, and I will give the variable outside. After that, colon return render request get name dot html. Okay, empty data. Okay, empty. Here I am passing an empty dictionary. This is my function name and this is my template name. If do some action, something in this function, in this template, in this page, the reaction should be done in this page. Okay, this function has to be get triggered. If I do anything over there, it has to be triggered in this page. Okay. So I have created function name. So for sure I should create URL for this. use dot get equal to get. Here in this line, if you use single quotes here, you have to use double quotes here. Okay. If it works, okay, let it be. If not, use single quote. If you use single quotes here, you have to use double quotes here. Okay. Or vice versa. Okay. And I have to create HTML page, right? Yeah, I have created this. Now, in this, I want to get the data. So in H1 tag, welcome to FIT. Welcome to FIT. Here I want to give the name. Okay. Else wait a minute. I'll keep this content in center. Yeah, in center, in H1 tag, I will get this welcome to fit, and in H2 tag, I want to give my name. Whatever the name I have given in that box, it has to be displayed in another page here. Okay, so I should get this value here. So I have taken in dictionary as output now. The same name you have to use in your in another page also, but in double flower brackets. Okay. Okay. Now there should be a link between two pages, right? There should be a link between these two functionalities. But how we make that link means simply by going to name.html. In this, if I do any action in this page, the reaction should be done in this page. So there should be a bridge. There should be a bridge between these two pages. No. So here in form tag, take action. Action in how you pass URL in your href. In the same way, you can pass URLs in the action in the form tags. Okay, it is also very important. In URL, I use get name. Get name. Here I'll keep required, and also I forgot to keep that input box submit button. Okay. Type submit. Okay. Now I'll go to this page, and if I click on this name, let's see what will happen. Yeah, I got enter your name and a box and a submit button. If I try to click submit without giving any data, it will show this fill out this field because I have mentioned required in my input tag. Here I want to give my name and some. Let's see for the output. If we trigger any error, let's try to solve that. Without any error, I got this name here. Okay. I'll try to add a header and footer in this get name also. I have not mentioned any header and footer here. Header dot HTML. Include HTML. Okay. Don't try to use this arrow marks. Okay. Don't try to. You have to try to do all the things in your web page only, in this window only. Don't go outside this page and don't do any actions here. Okay. If you do like that, it is not. It doesn't look beautifully. Okay, just whatever the things you want to do it in your web page only. As you are writing so many logics and all, you have to do it in this window only. If you do here, it will be not like professional. Okay, it will be like we manually we are, it will be, it looks like we are doing something manually. Okay, so you have to mention all these links in your page and try to do there itself. Okay, now I'm trying to give some random name. Welcome to customer. Okay, like the I'll try to use some colors style. Let's try this whether it will work out or not. If you observe, I got my name in red color because I used styles in my H2 tag. You can use wherever you want in your title. Also, you can use it H tags, P tags, wherever you want. You can use it to look somewhat different. But in HTML and CSS class, you will come to know all these type of tricks and all. Okay, how to use these colors and all. You can learn in your HTML and CSS class. Now this is a get method. Okay, I am trying to post the data in one page and I am getting data in another page. Okay, here also I have not used any method equal to post in this page. Okay, just I have used method as get here. Okay, but I got the data in the next page with header. This is header. Okay, and this is footer. This is the main content which we have used in this page. Okay, so if we use header and footer, this is the here we can here only it is possible to go to any of the page. This is the advantage by using header and footer. Okay, there is no need to mention any back or first page or demo page buttons like this. Okay, simply you can go here whatever the page you want to go. In real time also it will be like that only. No, if we try to open any page, you will have home, some about, and some if you use that booking tickets and all, you will be have like this only. If you want to go to any pages and book something or any order something, you will have like this only. For example, best example is Amazon only. You will have whatever the page you go, you will have some fixed header and footers, right? In the same way we are using in this project also. Yeah. This is the get method. Now I will try to show you how to display list. Okay, how to get the list data and how to display it. Okay, I will show you. Generally, there is no need to use if request dot method equal to get. Okay, we use a different functionality. I will show you while we are doing the main project. Then I will show you. The reformatting is nothing but just it will align itself. Okay, without it will align itself with some gaps between them. Okay, it will look somewhat better. Okay, if don't use inbuilt names. I think there is an inbuilt name with the name list. No problem for using these names, but try to avoid using these inbuilt names. Okay, I'll take my list. First, don't use spaces directly. Okay, don't use spaces directly. If you want space, try to use underscore. Okay, underscore is much better to use. So instead of using hyphens and all, try to use underscore. Okay, it will be better. We have some Pythonic rules. Uh, this is the Pythonic way of writing functions. But if you want to write any class, you will use this format. If you want to write same mylist mylist class, you'll write like my list in this format. Okay, this is the format to write class and this is the format to write function. Okay, we have some set of rules to write coding. Okay, this is nothing, this is called Pythonic way of writing code. Okay, you have to maintain some professionalism. Okay, as you are freshers, if you try to use some this type of Pythonic way coding, the interviewer gets impressed. Okay, my list. I want to take a list. You can use the same variables for all the functions. No worry. Okay, don't worry. There is no problem using the same variables to all the functions, but you should not use same function names, and the variable and the function name should not be same. Okay, that you have to know. And here I want to take a list of, I'll take some cars. Okay. Uh, Fortuner. You have to keep in quotes. Okay, keep in quotes. Each name you have to keep in quotes. Okay, I've taken some car names, random car names. Whatever the names you want, you can take. Return, render, request. What is a list dot html? Here I'll take as list, and here I have to take the variable which I have used for my list. Okay, this is the variable I am using here. Okay, the variable should be right in the should be given in the right side, and the value should be given in the left side. Okay, now I have to create one HTML page and a URL. Okay, first of all I will try to create URL. What is the name of my function? My underscore list, right? With the same name I will create path my list. Okay, path my list. Not list. List views dot my list, and the name I have given is my underscore list, and a here I have given double quote here and a single quote here. That's why I'm getting this error. Yeah. Okay. My list. Now I have to create list.html, which I have used in my function. List. I'll include header and footer first, then I will do the remaining things. Load header dot html. Include HTML. Here I will try to show my list here. List, and I will give this in my header. I will give this link in my header. Okay, so that it will come in all pages now. List. Okay. In HTML pages, you can use the inbuilt names, but in functions and variables, don't use the inbuilt names. Okay. URL. My URL name is my list. Okay. I will refresh it. Whether here I have to get the link. Let's see. Let's wait for that link. Again, I am refreshing. Yeah, I got this list here. If I click on this list, I'm getting nothing here. I'm getting nothing. Okay. This is my list, and I have to see function. Okay, list. I have given the wrong name. That's why I'm getting nothing over there. List. And refresh it once again. List. Okay, I simply I got the list as it is. How I gave names there, simply I got it here. Looking like this is very odd to see, right? It is very simple to see. So I will convert this into list. I'll try to use this in list tag. Where is my list.html? Yeah, I will use my list of cars, and we have a tag called list tag li. Yeah, again, there is no difference. Simply, I got a list of cars and a dot here. That's it. There is no much difference. I need to get one by one. Okay, one after the other. For that, I will use UI also, an unordered list. Sorry, anyone have any doubts? Okay, unordered list. No difference. Now, the thing is, we have, for example, while Amazon have so many millions of customers, right? To get each customer into a list, we have to use for loop. Okay, if we use for loop only, then only we will get this list. Okay, I'll show you how to use that list. I will show you right. To use for loop, you have to use float brackets. You can't use directly FOR. Okay, you have to use float brackets, percentage symbols. for cars in wait a minute. Yeah, for cars in list. For cars in list. I'll show you an error here. Yeah, you will get an error like uh, I have used for loop here. The error is unclosed tag on line 11 for looking for one of empty in for. Okay, you have in 11th line, it is saying that there is an unclosed tag, but here I have closed all percentage symbols and flower brackets. But the thing is, you have to close the for loop. After your for loop, you have to close it. How to close it? Simply go here and after list use ENDFOR. There is no space between N and for. Use a single word N for. The meaning of this is you have to end the for. Okay, my list. Okay, my list is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. So it has repeated 5 times. But this is the not this is the thing. I don't need this format, right? I have to get a single car one by one, not the list to be repeated. Okay, so I'm bringing each car from the list now. So I have to print that cars. Okay, wait a minute. Here I have given for in cars. In cars. List. I have to get all my cars here. Let's see whether I have an error here. For X cars in list, I have to get the cars here, but I'm getting. Okay, I got my cars one by one. The thing I have done is I have used a lot of list tag uh, outside. By keeping this inside, I got my cars to be displayed in a order. Okay, in a my list of cars, and I have I got all the cars one by one. Okay, this is the format to display a list. Okay, this is the format to display a list. In the same way, if we have for example, Amazon will have so much data, it has to print one by one, right? For example, if you have ordered anything for anything like you ordered some phone, mobile phone in the month of August, and in the August after September you have ordered something, it has to show one by one, right? To get that, you have to use they will also use that for loop only. Okay, but you can also use if else conditions here. Okay, if and else conditions here, but I will explain you that if and else in tomorrow's class. Until then, you have to practice it. So I will explain you once again. This is a get method I have said you today, right? This I have written this function just to I have written this function just to open my page with which have input box at all. But the action, the main logic should be done in this get name function. So I have given this function name in my name.html font tag. In this font tag, I have given action. In the name itself, you can understand that uh, if I try to do something here, the action should be done related to this function name. If I click on submit button, it will go to this page. Okay, it will go to this function name. Where it will go to this function name, and it will go here. It will go to this page. Okay, that's it. Okay, if you try to practice it more and more, then you will get to understand the things. Okay, in list also, you will view one list here, but here we have given the list manually. But while doing our project, when we connect to the database, we can give the data in our website only. There is no need to come here, and there is no need to give the data in our functions. Okay, simply you can give the data here itself. Here only, if you try to give add your car name here, you can give your label as add your car name here. If you try to give the data here, and if you click on submit button, it will store in the database, and when you try to click on that list, it will be added one by one. Okay, you can able to see the list one after the other. You can see the car names one after the other. Okay, uh, right. List.html. Okay, in this also you can use uh, you can use the if else conditions, but try to get clarity up to here. We can discuss that if and else conditions in our project, and also here also we can practice it, but try to get clarity up to here. We can move forward to the next. We can move forward if you get clarity up to here. Okay, try to practice, at least spend 1 to 2 hours on this. Okay, then only you will get perfect in this, and if whatever I am saying, it will get understand by you. Okay, anyone have any doubts in today's class? Okay, that's all about today's class. If anyone have any doubts, please ping me. Okay, if you have any errors in installations, have you done with your installations and all? If not, do it now itself. Okay, not do it now itself. Don't extend it at the end of the course, and then don't ask me to install the softwares and all. Okay, try to complete those softwares, and we have sent all the classes in the group. Take reference of those classes and try to complete the syllabus up to now. Okay, so that we can move forward, and you can also help each other. Okay, try to make own websites, but you can make your own websites. Okay, then that's all about today's class. If you have any doubts, please ping me. Have a nice day. Bye.